Hello guys, this side is Ajay Patil, the founder and CEO of Digital Patil. So guys, today I have made the wonderful and beautiful website for the doctors. In this world, every single person is earning money online. Okay guys, engineer, every single one is doing online business and generating online revenue much more. So guys, why cannot doctor can earn money online? They can also earn, but they need online tools. If they have website, they can easily generate their revenue to the next level. Yes guys, so I have created the beautiful website. First of all, we will show I will show the website to you. After that, this is a front look of a website. You can see it. So guys, I have created the 5 pages. First one is a home, which is default one. Second one is about. Third one is services, review, and contact us. So guys, I will show the full website to you firstly. So guys, this is the front look. There is a button for appointment. Next one is the owner of that practice, dental practice. Okay. Next one is the what is the specialties, department of doctors and services, what they provide, appointment they can choose here, and patient fill up their form here. Welcome to dental clinic. Okay. Next one is commitment of dental doctors to their patients, and next one is complete care on your schedule. Okay. Okay. Dentistry for today's lifestyle. This is one of the best landing page I think that which I have made for my international client of United States of America. So nice. So that is the stories of happy clients or patients for their doctor. How to find them? I have mentioned here Google Map. With the help of Google Map, you can find a doctor's clinic or practice and easily reach out there. Here is the you can book your appointment here and send request to the doctor, the owner of the medical. And the last and best one is footer part. So there is I have mentioned the four social media icons such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google themselves. And best part is I have mentioned the WhatsApp support here also. With the help of this, you can directly connect to the owner of the practice or hospital. Means you can directly contact to the owner of the uh, hospital doctor. Okay. So and last one is all copyrights reserved by Ajay Patil. So guys, I will explain full website or landing page to you right now. So here already seen the overview of this website which I have made. So first thing is that I have created home page, about page, service page, review, and contact us. And last one, best one is you can click on that button and directly call to the doctor. Okay. So simple one. A better life can start with a beautiful smile. So in this world, every single person needs to be happy because they have rights to be happy. Okay. So clicking on this button, you can schedule a call with a doctor. With the help of that schedulement, doctor will call you, and you can whatever whatever you have free time, you can go to the clinic and uh, take appointment. Okay. So who we are? So the owner of dental practice is here mentioned. Photo you can also mention here, and CEO of dental practice. I don't know because I'm not a doctor, so I don't understand there is a CEO or not in the digital dental area. Okay, so for doctors, we can change it if there is not CEO. Okay, so and any patient who needs appointment, they can click on that button and schedule the appointment with your favorite doctor. Okay, so next one is why to choose us. In this world, lots of doctors are here in United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada. Africa. So why should you choose you? Okay, that's why we have mentioned some reasons here why to choose us, because we have given high quality service to whole family. Yes, that is the one good thing. Or your health is top priority. That is also an affordable medical is the one of the best for right now, because you can know that medical are too expensive right now, and dental women's health care such things, and I have mentioned four images here. You can see here which are the doctors and our work, whatever work we have done. You can click on this button and check it out. So next one is department section. So which department, which services that doctor provides to their patients, their their patients. Okay, so such first one is root canal, extraction of dental teeth, cosmetic dentistry, dental X-ray, and white teeth whitening. Okay, such things are given by such a services are given by our doctor to the patients. Okay, so next one is welcome to the cardiology department. If there is a cardiology doctor, they can provide a cardiology department for their patients. Okay, so and with the help of this button you can schedule a call with the cardiology doctor, and let's go forward. Yeah, such things are happening here. Okay, so next one is new patients. Whatever new patients come to our website or traffic, means if we run the ads like Facebook ads, Google ads, and Bing ads or YouTube ads, they can come to our website, and after coming on our website they can mention their information here, like as your name, email address, and phone number, and after that they can move forward. Okay, so that is the thing. So new thing is that uh, patient can check your phone number, means you are not one of these dental practice, and you can mention your phone number here. With the help of this, who the person who comes to your website, they can know that this is the number of Dr. John, and they will call you directly. Okay, and if you don't think that, then you can fill up this information and send request. Then doctor side will be called to you for scheduling a call. Okay, or a dental, whatever that will be. So next thing is that welcome to the dental clinic. So dental clinic, friend and clinic near you, and experienced dentist, whatever that is, you can know it. And I have mentioned the Google Map for knowing that if you don't know the where is the hospital or dental practice, you can easily understand with the help of the Google Map, because with the help of Google Map our life so becomes simple. Okay, so that is mentioned here, and commitment to the dental practice. So every doctor in this world, they are committed for the good services they provide. Okay, so we have mentioned here, and that is awesome thing. I like it. The Master of Dentistry and Dr. Michael has mentioned here. Okay, awesome thing. Next one is complete care on your schedule. Whatever you have got free time, you can come here and schedule a meeting with your favorite doctor. Experienced dentist and advanced treatment, guaranteed results, and modern equipment are provided by the doctors to you. Next one is dentistry for today's lifestyle. You can see here. I have mentioned first one is dental X-ray, second one is exams and cleanings, third one is cosmetic dentistry, and fourth one is diseases such as in this word, and root canal fifth one is, and extraction sixth one, and seventh one is teeth whitening, and eighth is braces and implements. So guys, if you like these services, you can easily contact here with the doctors. Okay, here we have mentioned the phone number of that doctor. Okay, so next one is price of our dental practice or services which we have provide. You can mention here. If you don't understand how to do such things, and uh, you don't know how to mention the money here, so you can directly contact me, and I will help you to do such a things. Okay, so because I have providing this website to you, so it's my uh, aim to fulfill your requirements. Okay guys, so you can whatever you have money or services payout, you can mention it, and patient will come to your website and book an appointment, and they can understand that money of or services which you have provided to them, what they will cost for themselves. Okay, so that is a thing, simple thing. $100 off on all dental services. I have just made uh, type here for a simple reason right now. If you have greater services, you can tell me, I will change it out here. Okay, and click on that button, book an appointment, and schedule a call with doctor. So happy stories means happy client stories. You can see here the patients are happy with their doctors. They can review here. uh, right now you can see here there is lots of reviews by patients. Okay, they have got good results with the doctor, that's why they have review here. Okay, simple thing. How to find us? So finding us, it is so easy because Google Map is doing each and wonderful thing. Okay, also we have mentioned the address here, also contact number and email address. Easily you can reach out to us with the help of this. And also one thing is important, that if you want to schedule an appointment with us, you can easily enter your name, enter your email ID, phone number, and message, and send request to us easily. That request will be accepted, and doctor will be schedule a call with you. Okay, so that is a wonderful thing, is that map is here. With the help of this map, you can know that where is the hospital, where is the practice, dental practice, and you know that, and you can easily go there. Yeah, sure, that is a beautiful thing. And last one is dental clinic means footer, which I have already showed you. Okay guys, so that is so beautiful website. If you like this website, so tell me, I will be give you this website. Okay, so guys, I also mention WhatsApp software. That is all thing. Okay, so guys, thank you. If you like it, do comment, click on subscribe button, and like this video, everything. So guys, thank you.